Menteri Rangbah Gejala bolong ru National President ke National People's Party Konrad Sangma hak Tarik jemang ulong Nongïalam Kham Rangbah na Kiwei ki Seng san Pyrthei kinwan Pynïasoh syaka NPP hakan riu Tarik jemang ulong Nongïalam ki Kham Ahmad na Kiwei pat ki Seng san Pyrthei kinwan Pynïasoh syaka NPP hakan riu Tarik jemang usang ma ulong ya kani hak jing lej yelap election nak bentau kortong ke Seng na soyong uba samlin malnyang hak snong kerang bentak sengi Kipai ba kiler ki samut habo menteri Rangbah ulong bo unom yithu syai halorgani ke benta namar kilatip ya jinglong jingman hakasan Pyrthei hakajala.
This election is very important. In the next few days you will hear more good news about the National People's Party with more people joining our party very soon. Many more leaders are going to join our party within the next 4 to 5 days. And we'll be having a very nice function on the 6th of this month, where many senior leaders from other political parties will be merging into the National People's Party. I don't have to give you details, you know the details already. But we will see the result on the 6th of this month.
Laban kedo hang ni biki MLA na People's Democratic Front uba bantai dor lingdo uba given Miguel Miliam kin Pynïasoh no syake NPP usang maulong ru baka Seng kelandang roy ke jingbun ki dukot bat kadai ke wain ki Seng san Pyrthei ki bahe tam hakari menta ulong susu bagi dan ki Seng san Pyrthei belara shibun ki mat ke badan kam ban menjor ke parlimen Henry Wong bagi ni ki Seng san Pyrthei kimla ban pinki ke parlimen tang hapdeng iwe hadu sangut ki MLA.
And so friends, our party is growing today from strength to strength. We are one of the largest parties in the country today. We are the only national party from the northeast. Today there are many political parties today who are raising different issues that need to be cleared in parliament. Friends, let me tell you, with 1, 2 MLAs, 4 MLAs, you cannot go and move parliament.